Hey, hello everyone! In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to test browser alerts using UIlicious. UIlicious is an online tool for testing your websites across browsers, and today we are going to test this fun little website that I built called the Bomb Squad Simulator, which we can use to test 3 types of browser alerts. Let me demonstrate the Bomb Squad Simulator. In this Bomb Squad Simulator, we have 2 buttons. One is to cut the black wire and one is to cut the red wire. And if we click on any of these buttons, we will see a browser alert. This one is a confirmation box because it has 2 options to ask for you to confirm your choice. And if we click on the cancel button, you'll see the log says that you contemplated cutting the black wire and you hesitated. Now let's go ahead and make the decision to cut the black wire. Press OK, and now we see another browser alert. This one is a plain alert box, and it will simply give you a notification message and just one button to click on OK to acknowledge the message. So we'll click on OK, and now we see the third kind of browser alert, and this is called a prompt box, and it contains a text input field for us to enter some text. And we can see 2 buttons here again, cancel and OK, to submit our name of the hero. So let's say Jane, and press OK. And finally, we see a success message that says the bomb is disarmed. Hooray! Jane has saved the day. Okay, so now let's get started. We'll navigate to snippet.uilicious.com, our online test editor. And let's begin with going to the web page that we want to test, which is I go to. And then we'll head on over here to example.uilicious.com/bombsquadsimulator.html. And then what we'll do first is click on cut the black wire button. And what we should see is an alert message that says, are you sure you want to click the black wire? So to validate that an alert is shown to the user, you can use the IC alert command, which if on its own just validates that an alert is shown to the user without checking the text message of inside the alert. So if you want to also validate the text of the alert, we can use IC alert and provide the text message that we want to validate. So let's copy this and paste it over here. So this will check that the exact message is shown in the alert box. Now, if you want to click on the cancel button, we use the command I.cancel alert to click on the cancel button. And what we want to see when we cancel the alert is a message that says you hesitated. So let's just validate that, and let's go and run this test. Okay, our test has completed, and we can see that we have navigated to the Bomb Squad Simulator site. We click on cut the black wire. We validated that the alert is shown, and it has a message, are you sure you want to cut the black wire? And you cancel the alert, and you see on the logs, you hesitated. So now let's proceed to actually cut the black wire this time. Let's repeat our steps. I click cut the black wire. I see the alert. And this time, instead of canceling the alert, we will accept the alert to click on the OK button. Okay, so when we accept the alert, you'll see a new alert that says, congratulations, the bomb is safely disarmed. And we have one button, the OK button, to click on to acknowledge the message. So let's do the following. I.C alert, congratulations, the bomb is safely disarmed, and then I accept alert to click on the OK button and move on. So once we click on the OK button, now we see the third alert prompt. It says, what's your name, dear hero? And we'll fill in the text field and click on OK to complete the last step. So let's do that. I.C alert, what's your name, dear hero? And to fill in the input box in the prompt, we use that command I.fill alert, and we'll say Jane is the name of our dear hero. And finally, we will accept the alert again, and we will check that we see on the screen. Let's fill in Jane. Then we see the message is updated to the bomb is disarmed. Hooray! Jane saved the day. Okay, so let's run the test again. All right. So now our test is completed. We confirm our choice to cut the black wire. We see another alert that says the bomb is safely disarmed. We accept the notification. We see the next alert, what's your name, dear hero? Within the alert Jane, I click on accept, And now I finally see at the end of the day, hooray, Join has saved the day in the screenshot of our test over here. So that's how you test alerts with UIlicious. It's a piece of cake. And if you want to check out this test script over here, I will put the link in the description below.